editing app. First of all, open Chrome or any browser. Then paste and search the link. The link is available in the description box. Now press on the green button. Then on download and OK. It will start to download. After downloading, open the app. Then this editing app will be installed in your device. Let's see if this app have been downloaded or not. As you can see, it worked. This app has so many filters and effects. You should install it and see it yourself. If you want another tutorial on how to use it, comment down below. And come on, let's chit chat on Discord. Link will be in the description box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sending you all a lots of love.